Hey, hello everyone. CBSE is focusing more on making classrooms more engaging, interesting, and reflecting, especially for students these days. So, fun, entertainment, engagement, ये to some extent हमेशा से चला आ रहा है classrooms में, but from my perspective, the most important and added feather to it is reflection. The students must be able to reflect on their understanding. When I used to be in the real classrooms, so I had one strategy that is very simple because I prefer to keep things simple and clear. So I used to have that 4P strategy, and that was like pause, predict, play, and ponder. So I can explain that. Let's take an example of grade 10 English textbook, A Letter to God. So there जब लेंचो का crops storm destroy कर देता है, so you can ask students to pause and they tell them to predict, like what do you think Lencho would do next. So you will be glad to hear number of predictions coming out from your students, and then you can resume reading, and once the chapter is completed you can tell the students to discuss amongst themselves or in groups. You can initiate the discussion, asking like what do you think, what have you learned about the humanity aspect from the lesson, and what is faith according to you? Was Lencho correct in having his faith in Almighty? So this is how 4P method works well, because it actually comes through a process and it ends on reflection. Students make their own opinions based on their understanding discussion. So this actually promotes communication, collaboration, teamwork, confidence, clarity in thoughts. So a lot of learning all together when we make learning student centric, student oriented, and make them the owner of their learning. So let's start giving the ownership of learning to the students, and that will surely make the difference.